students, you're welcome to our channel. This is the continuation of this series of exercises on circuit theorem. As we said, we have to solve more questions. We have to solve 101 questions. In fact, in order to be very strong. Okay. So we are still looking at a series of examples. So in this example, see that in the diagram, this is an objective example. In the diagram, angle ZWV is equal to 110. Angle ZWV, this side is what 110. And the length of ZW equal to the length of what? XW. So ZW, this side is equal to SW as indicated by this short line. So it means that triangle XZW is what is an associated triangle. It says you find the value of angle XYW, angle what? Angle XYW. So this you are supposed to find this angle. Okay. Okay, fine. So let us get started. So how do we go about this? How do we go about this? So what theorems do we identify here? What theorems? You have to know that this line is not the diameter. You have to know that you don't have to assume because the question hasn't talked about the diameter. It looks as if this line is what this chord is at the center. But even the two intersecting chords seem to be at the center of the circle, but none of them is what is the diameter. Since the question didn't specify, so don't assume as I advise you. Okay, fine. So what theorem do we notice? So don't think that this is the diameter, therefore this is going to be 90. No, this is not the diameter, neither is this the diameter. So the theorem we spot or we identify here is the angle formed by the same arc. So we say that this is the arc XW or chord SW is forming this angle at what? At the point Y. And it is forming this same angle at what? At Z. So it means that angle X Y W is equal to what? Angle X what? Z W. So we have to find this. Okay, fine. What do we is there any theorem we can spot? Okay, there is no theorem per se, but we know that the total angles on the straight line will give us what? 180 degrees. So if this is 110, then we can say that from here to here, the whole of this angle should give us 180. So from here, if this is 110, then surely this one is what? This side is what? This angle is what? 70. Have you seen? That angle will give us what? 70 degrees. Okay. This angle is 70 degrees. So 70. Okay. So no, we also know that since this length SW is equal to what? ZW, then triangle. As I said, triangle. Know that triangle X what? X ZW is what? Isosceles. Okay, so from the if this is an associated triangle, and we know this angle, the base angles must be equal. It means that this angle is equal to what? This angle. So let's say this angle is what? If this angle is what? X, then this angle what will be X. So let's denote the base angles by what? By X. So we are saying that from this triangle, this is ZW is what? Associates. So from this same triangle, it implies that what? X plus 70 is equal to what? Equal to 180. Okay. So we have 2s is equal to what? 180 minus 70. So 2s is equal to what? 110. Okay. So s will be equal, and then you have s is equal to what? 110 over what? Over 2, which is equal to what? Equal to 55. So 55 what? 55 degrees. So s is equal to what? 55 degrees. Fine. So okay, fine. So if this is 55 degrees, this is 55 degrees, this is 55 degrees. But as we said, since this angle is formed by the same arc or chord, that is angle what? XZW is equal to what? Angle XYW. Why? Because they are angles formed by the same arc or the same chord. Therefore, so you can say that hence angle what? Angle XYW equal to what? Equal to 55 or 55 degrees. So the correct answer is what? Is D. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. We will consider more examples. We haven't finished solving, more questions on circle theorem. So we will consider more examples in the subsequent lessons. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hello students, you're welcome back. Let us consider this question as well. So this is a theory question. Okay, so it says that what in the diagram PS is parallel to QR. So this PS is parallel to QR. So look at this. These two lines means they are hot. They are parallel. So you have to note that. Comma angle PSR is equal 79. So this is 79. Angle PSR is indicated here 79, and angle SPR is 54 degrees. This angle is 54 degrees, and TQ is a tangent to the circle at P. It is your TQ. This is a tangent at what at P. So if we calculate angle what TPS, angle TPS. So this angle, we are supposed to find this angle. Okay. This angle we are supposed to find this angle. Okay, angle TPS. So this is the angle we are supposed to angle TPS. We are supposed to find. Okay, and what angle what PQR, and this angle. Okay, so let's denote this angle. Let this equal to what? Equal to X, and then this one be equal to what? Equal to Y. Okay, fine. So how do we find what? First of all, we are going to be saying we have to identify the theorems that are present. So in this question, which of the theorems or what theorems are present here, or what theorems can we identify? Okay, we have a tangent and we have a chord. Okay, which means that the angle between this tangent and this chord. So this is the alternate segment theorem. Okay, so what does the alternate segment theorem say, or what does it state? It states that the angle between what? Between a tangent and a chord is equal to what? Equal to the angle in the triangle formed by the same chord in the opposite or alternate segment. And then we also said that you should be cautious or careful to ensure that all the three vertices of the triangle formed by that chord should touch what the circumference. Otherwise, the alternate segment theorem will not hold. Okay, so this one, all the three vertices are touching the circumference. So it means that here, the alternate segment holds. Okay, fine. So how do we find this? It means that, this is very simple. We can find this quickly. Okay, so it means that the angle between this tangent and this chord, which is denoted by, we have denoted by X, is equal to what? The angle in the triangle. The triangle formed by this same chord. So what triangle is formed by this chord? This is the triangle. Triangle what? PSR. It's the triangle that is formed by the same chord. And in this triangle, which of the angles is opposite to this segment? It is this angle. This angle is what? Opposite to the segment. So we get this angle. So if we are able to get this angle, it means we have what? We've already gotten yes. So how do we get this angle? Oh, surely this is very simple, because we have this using what? So we say that from what? From triangle what? Triangle PSR. PS what? R. It implies that. So this one, if you denote this by what? Let's say this angle is what? This angle is T. Let's denote this angle by what? By T. Okay. Let's denote this angle by what? This angle by T. Okay, so from this triangle, it implies that what? It implies that T plus what? T plus 79 plus what? 54. So will give us what? 180 degrees. That is angles in what? And total angles in what? In a triangle. Okay. Total angles in a triangle. Okay. So we have what? 79. What is 79 plus what? Plus 54. Okay, let us use this calculator. So we have what? 79. We have this was 79. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry for the distraction. In fact, 79. We have 79 what? 79 plus what? plus 54. So 79 plus 54 is equal to, what do we get? It's equal to 133. Okay. So it means that this implies that t plus what 133 is equal to what? Is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So t is equal to what? 180 minus what? 133, which is equal to what? Which is equal to, what is 180 minus what? 133. So we have 180 minus what? Minus 133. So that is equal to what? 47. Okay. So it's 40 is equal to what? It's equal to 47 what? 47 degrees. So we know that from the what? So this is what? This is a theory question. So you have to give what? You give reason. Huh? So you say that what? So it means that this t is equal to s, which is the same as what? Angle t or TP. So you say that from the alternate segment here, we take it somewhere. So we say from, can say that from the alternate segment, what? Segment theorem, angle what? Angle TPS is equal to what? Angle what? Angle SRP, or angle what? PRS, which is equal to T, and it's equal to what? 47 degrees. 47 degrees. Okay. So this is equal to what? 47 what? 47 degrees. Okay. Okay, fine. So let's look at this second what? Example. Second question. Okay, second question, we are supposed to find PQR is what? Is y. So how do we find y? Now we know this side, know that this is what, to be able to find y. This one, okay, we are told that these two lines PS and what? QR are parallel. So if they are parallel, it means that this line is what? A traversal. PR is a traversal of these two parallel lines, PS and what? QR. So it means that this angle and this angle are alternate angles. The parallel lines, alternate angles or z angles in a parallel line, in parallel lines. Two parallel lines are what? Equal. So this angle is equal to this. So this side will also be what? 54 degrees. So we have to get here. If you're able to get this side, then we'll be able to find y. So to be able to get this side is very easy, because the whole of this angle what would what? Be 180. Okay. So we know this side, and then we know this side. So we'll be able to get this angle very easily. So let's make this angle, let's say n. Let's denote this angle by n. So from here, we can say that n plus what? It implies that n plus what? X, or 47 plus 54 is equal to what? 180. So this is angles on what? On a straight what? On a straight line. Okay, it's down to 180. So this is what we have. So what is, we have 47 plus 54. So this is 47, 54. Okay, 47, 54. This is, so 100 what? 110, 101. Okay, so let me bring the calculator again. Bring the calculator again. So we have, this is 10 what? It's 101. So we have is 47 plus what? Plus 54, which is equal to what? 101 degrees. Everything fine. So this is 101. So it implies that what? N plus 101 is equal to what? 180 degrees. So n is equal to 180 degrees minus what? 101, which is equal to what? So 101. You have 180 degrees. 180 minus what? 101, which is equal to what? Equal to 79. Okay. So it means that this is n is equal to what? 79 degrees. Okay. So this side is 79. So if this is 79, and this is 54, then we can what? Find y. So you can say that from what? From triangle what? Triangle P R Q. Triangle P R Q implies that y plus what? Y plus n, which is 79, plus what? 54 is equal to what? 180 degrees. Give us 180. So this implies that y plus what? So 79 plus 54. What is 79 plus 54? So we have 79 plus what? 54, which is equal to what? It's equal to 133. Okay, 133. So we are coming to, you get this thing. So y plus what? 133 is equal to what? 180 degrees. So this implies that y is equal to what? 180 minus what? 133 degrees. 133, which is equal to what? 47 what? 47 degrees. Okay, so these two, they happen to be equal. Oh, okay, so graph y is equal to 180 minus what? 133, which is what? 47 degrees. So PQR is also what? PQR, which is y. It also happens to be what? The same 47 degrees. Amazing. So both angles are what? Are equal. So this is also 47 degrees. Okay. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't get understanding, don't memorize. Hit the bell notification icons so that you'll be notified for further videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.